everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY kawaii princess lamp for your room, as we're in my tiny little studio in my parents' basement. And it's going to be really fun and exciting. So please remember to subscribe and let's get started. Whee! So as you guys can see, I have lots of things to spray paint, but today I'm just going to show you how to spray paint this lamp and make it all princessy and cute using those colors. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it first, as I got this from the Goodwill outlet store. So I'm gonna get some Windex and things and clean it all up. Yep. Oh. Let's try that again. Wah! Ta-da! Hello. So I went ahead and untangled the cord and sprayed some Windex on it and cleaned it all up. Tried to get into the crevices, but it was hard with the paper towel. So, yeah. So I had trouble getting it out with just the paper towels, and I got a toothbrush. Getting out all the little dirt out of these crevices. Dirt who? We don't know her. Yes. Oh, there's bottles in front of it, isn't it? Gosh dang it. Okay. We don't even know dirt. Like, who? Like, nah. Scrap, 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 scrap. I feel like I'm getting my table all gross now. Fantastic! Hello. Now that the lamp is clean, we are going to start painting. Okie ducks. I'm gonna go put the tarp outside. Spray paint, here we come! Wow! Oh, there's a dead moth! Is he okay? Sir, are you okay? Sir! Wow, he's so pretty. Get out of my door, dude! Dude! The heck? He's huge, I'm afraid to touch him now. He's getting closer to me! Sir, you need to leave the premises. Sir, pardon me. Sir. No! You're gonna get killed if you go in there, sir. My camera can't even focus. Oh man, you have done it. Oh! Oh! Lauren's bug cam. This is a sad day. I will pick him up with the tissue and put him in the grass. He's better now, he's in the grass. Well, honestly, he doesn't look too hot. Probably because he was squished in the door, but he'll figure it out, I'm sure. Solid little guy. Okay, back to the project. So, I took out the tarp from the garage, and I'm gonna put it in the grass. And I just started to lay it out and kind of get it unfolded and untangled, because this is the tarp we use for painting and things. And this is the moment I realized, did I just put the tarp on top of the moth? Then I felt really bad. But I couldn't find a moth, so I'm sure he's okay. Like, Moth, where'd you go? He's gone. So anyways, I put the thing, yep. I put I put the tarp down and straightened it all out and got ready to paint. So you will need some spray paint for this project, and you will need some painter's tape and a lamp and lampshade. Yes. So the first thing I did was spray paint the lampshade blue with this baby blue color that's really pretty and cute. And I just went spray, spray, spray. And then I went ahead and spray painted the lamp base pastel pink. The best color, of course, according to me. And yeah, just got in all the crevices with the pretty pink color, and yep, that does it. It's been 30 minutes or so. Is it dry? Yes! Okay, now we're going to tape the lamp in stripes. You'll see what I mean. So I went ahead and took my painter's tape and made little stripes along the lampshade to make kind of a candy looking stripy vintage effect. Yep. I went along and taped them and stuff. Yep, pretty simple. Just tape stripes on the lamp and make sure they're sealed before you paint the stripes on and stuff. Yep. You'll see what I mean. Once you are sure you have sealed your pieces of painter's tape to the lampshade, you're going to want to go ahead in and spray paint with your coordinating color, just like I'm using baby pink and baby blue because they're the most kawaii pastel colors ever. So yeah, and look there, I'm spray painting my other thing, second coat of pink paint, and making it look all snazzy. Yep. So, it has now been an hour. Is it dry? Yes. Yeah, a little bit. Let's peel off the tape. The moment of truth. Ah, it worked. Oh, snap. Ah! Oh my gosh. You guys probably want some ASMR satisfying stuff, so. Wait till the plane is done. Ah! Ooh. Oh no. But the last piece of tape. Ta-da! Honestly though, like this is a whole mood. Are you ready to see the lamp light up? Are you ready? Okay. I'm gonna put a light bulb in the lamp. Woo. And now we are going to see if it works. So let me put in the light bulb. Twisty, twisty, twisty. Oh, this is hard to do with my left hand. Oh, hold on. Da-da-dee-da! Let's go turn the lights off. Oh, wow. Oh, oh, yes. Okay. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all later.